Hello friends, in this video we learn how to add Grammarly application to your Windows 10. So firstly you need to open any web browser, then type in a search bar Grammarly. Now you will see a list of links. In here you click grammarly.com. Now click on login. If you have an account, so login with Google, Apple or Facebook ID. And if you don't have, so click on don't have an account. So you need to sign up with Facebook, Google or Apple ID. I will select Google. Now click on skip personalization. Click on continue to Grammarly. Skip the tool. Click on this menu icon and click on my Grammarly. And here click on apps. So you will see some application for Grammarly to use. And here click on Grammarly for Windows. So click on install. Now double click on Grammarly icon. You will see Grammarly will launch once the installation is complete. Now sign in your account. Click on continue to Grammarly. Now click on open Grammarly. Now you have Grammarly account and application on your Windows 10. So that's it friends. By this simple steps we can know and we can learn how to add Grammarly application to Windows 10. And also friends, this method will work in Windows 8 and Windows 7. Thanks for watching.